This isn't just your fried cabbage. It's a one-pot meal loaded with smoked sausage and a colorful vegetables that come together in 30 minutes. I'm going to show you exactly how to make this. So every bite is packed with flavor and your cabbage is perfectly tender. So stay tuned and let's do this. Okay, I've got a small russet potato here. Okay, I got one of my knives out. And we're going to be using a red bell pepper. You don't want a lot, just enough to give that wonderful color filling. You want that beautiful color in there into your cabbage to make it really nice and tender. And we're going to do the same thing with the green pepper also. I'm just going to slice these and go one time. Okay, so I'm getting my fresh garlic slice. Okay, this is our small cabbage. We're just going to cut off the end, take a knife, and we're going to go right through this baby. Then you need to look for the core in the cabbage here. Okay, this is my cabbage. It's a baby cabbage, but that's all you need, or you can make bigger. That's all my family needs. We're going to go ahead and cut this down. You want to cut it at a nice wedge. Perfect. Get the kids to do it. You don't have to do it to save you time. You just cut the cabbage and tell them, come on in here and break these leaves up. Okay, this is the smoked sausage that I use. Posa kielbasa. Okay, so I'm going to take my kielbasa sausage and I'm going to make them little links. These are what I call little links. Okay, for this dish, I'm going to need about 2 or 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Okay, there's go my potatoes that I had cooked. That I'm cooking. And I'm going to turn this down on a medium heat because I want to get these potatoes kind of started early. Okay, now we're going to start adding in our peppers. We're going to toss these around with our potatoes. We're going to throw a little garlic in here. And let's get this to toast with all of everything. That garlic. Yeah, let's let that cook in there with all of our vegetables. Okay, guys, I got my Be Sure to season blend. And you can get this on besuretocook.com or go to Amazon and look for the Be Sure to season blend. I'm just going to add a little bit on these vegetables, just a tiny bit. Let's toss these around. Oh my God, there you go. Okay, a quick out of the pot. It's not quite all done yet. We know that, but we just needed that flavor there to get it going for our cabbage. All right. I'm going to start laying a little of the smoked sausage down in here so we can give that wonderful flavor to the smoke. Woo, look at that. We're going to finish cooking this up, getting ready for our cabbage. Let's start layering some of this cabbage. We're going to add a little onion powder, a pinch of pepperoncinos, which would be hot pepper flakes. I got some dry granulated sweet peppers. This is really good. I'm going to add a pinch of that. Okay, my Be Sure to season. I'm going to add a little bit of that. Just a little bit. Just kind of like powder it up. Layer it. So we're going to layer a little bit of our vegetables in here. In our potatoes. And there we go there. Rest here. All right, now we're going to just start tossing all the cabbage and everything. Woohoo, yeah. Make that fancy. Making sure we get everything mixed up in here. Keeping it nice and good. Okay, I turn this down low. Still crunchy and late. Still going to cook, and everything's going to cook. And it's going to winnow down. And y'all, that's all that seasoning that I have in there, and it's going to good. We're going to go ahead and put it on very low. We're going to put a top on here, and we're going to let that cook. Okay, this is my seasoned cabbage with vegetables, and it's still got a crunch on it. And look at that. And my sausages are right in there. You can put a little sugar in your cabbage if you want to, right before you throw on the sausage if you want. Get that nice and great. Look at that. There's the potatoes on here. Some vegetables. Okay, and this is Be Sure's way of fried cabbage and smoked sausage with vegetables. So you have your smoked sausage, you have your green bell pepper, your red bell peppers, your wonderful potatoes. Oh my God, all this season covered all this cabbage. And it just soaked up and just enjoyed itself. This is very Hey guys, good. I hope you enjoyed today's show and I hope you enjoyed today's dish. Hey, please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hey, because guess what? I didn't make this fried cabbage and sausage alone. You and me, we did this together. And we can make plenty more. So come back next time so we can make another great show. Bye.